Decarbonising the economy and meeting our Paris targets of 2050 is incredibly important to the IT industry, and the IT industry is part of the solution to achieving that. If you look at the investments that are occurring by tech companies, both in software and in hardware, it is with that in mind. So using technology is required in order to meet those goals, and so the industry is investing in heavily in new solutions, but also the AIIA member companies believe deeply in this issue as well. So they're eating their own dog food, to use that expression, within their own businesses to ensure that there's carbon, they meet and exceed their Paris targets, often already doing so, or by 2025, not by 2030 or not by 2050. But certainly AI is a big user of energy. The industry is very cognizant of that fact and ensuring that a lot of investment is going into data centres and the explosion of data centres, both globally and Australia, to meet that huge upspike in demand, is being done with energy efficiency in mind, using renewable energies wherever possible, closed-loop water recycling to aid with cooling of those data centres, which is where the energy often comes in. So, yeah, it's a big issue. It's a global issue, and the IT industry is leaning in and making sure that we're part of the solution, not part of the problem.
I do think that there is absolutely not only conscious awareness but action. Of course, technologies like AI and the profound impact that they can have on society, there are downsides in relation to energy. And of course, we're continuing to look at how different forms of energy can be used.
There's a massive investment in data centre capacity and capability to support Australian economy needs and government needs in Australia, including some of the greenest data centres in the world, both East Coast and West Coast in Australia. So the investment is very much green focused. They are energy intensive, so there's a lot of renewables are going into that, and people are investing in batteries and wind farms and solar plants to power those data centres.
There's significant focus from a sustainability perspective across the sector. So people are looking for ways to ensure that they're committed to the obligations that they as a business have to deliver on. They're expecting suppliers and strategic partners to be part of that journey. So it's very much part of evaluation criteria.